A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means gained. C. C for camel. Camel means ऊंट. D. D for dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin, मछली. E. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F. F for flower. Flower means फूल. G. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means kulfi. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for net. Net means जाल. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q for quiet. Quiet means chup, silent. S for ship. Ship means जहाज. T for toy. Toy means खिलौना. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Yacht means now. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. And thanks for watching. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक कीजिए. चैनल पे पहली बार आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू. पढ़ते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए.